Welcome to yet another video on website building. In this video, we will learn how to create a travel website for free using a plugin called WP Travel Engine. So this plugin has two plans. You can go with the free version as well as the paid version. Let us check for the pricing and the features that this plugin offers. I'll be adding the link for this in the description box as well as the pinned comments so that you can visit the site and start your travel website or the travel agency business website. Let us check for the pricing. Click on pricing and we have an option called travel agency. So this is $24 per month. These are the features that you get. You get one site, advanced itinerary builder, form editor, currency converter, and much more that any travel website will be required. You get partial payments, user history, and many other important features. You also get Zapier for the automation purposes and three premium themes that will make your website look more attractive. Apart from that, you get all the payment gateways as well. Now you have two options for the paid version. You can pay annually or you can pay lifetime. So this is the lifetime feature. Based on your business requirement, you can go with the paid one or else you can even go with the free version. As I discussed earlier, I'll show you how to create it for free. Let us go back and check for the free versions. Click on home and you have themes and you have free themes. Let us check for the free themes. This is what we will be using to create our travel website. Let us check for the themes. Look at this. We have total 9 WordPress themes, out of which 5 are free and 4 are the premium themes. Let's check the 5 free themes. We have Travel Monster, Travel Muni, Travel Booking, Prime Travel, and Travel Explorer. All these themes are free. You can use anything. So I'll be selecting this one, Travel Booking. Let us click on View Details and check for more. Once we click on View Details, this is what we get. Now let us check for the demo. Click on View Live Demo. So this is the demo of the website. Let us scroll down and check. We have destinations, activities, duration, and the budget. So let us navigate through this site. Let us understand how it looks. So these are the popular packages that this theme offers. And these are the featured trips. I would say this is a user-friendly website to navigate. Let us also do the same thing. Let me show you how to install the theme on WordPress and let us continue with this. We also have activities, destination, trip types, trips, and contacts. These are the different pages. Based on your business requirements, we can decide the pages that we require. So let me log in with my WordPress website and show you how to install this particular theme in our WordPress website. So this is my WordPress dashboard. Let me log in first. Here it is. This is the dashboard. Let me show you the website first, then let me show you how to add a theme. Let us visit the site. My site is looking like this at present. So let us add the plugin as well as the theme. Let me close this. To add a plugin, click on plugins, click on add new plugin. Once you click on add a new plugin, there is an option called search plugins. You can search WP Travel Engine here. So this is the plugin. We should click on install now. Once this is installed, click on activate. Once you click on activate, this is what you get. Click on Let's Get Started. Here you have currency settings. I'll be leaving the currency to US dollars as of now. You can change it based on your business requirement later. Click on Continue. You have email settings. You have disable admin notification. Turn this on if you do not want to receive sales notification emails. So it is up to you what you do. I have disabled admin notification. Then I have sales notification emails. So this is the email that I have used. So let it be as it is. Now I have enable enquiry email. Turn this on if you want to send enquiry notification emails to customer as well. It's up to you what you want to choose. I'll be leaving this as it is. Now we have from email. Enter the mail address from which the purchase receipts will be sent. This will act as the from and reply to address. So I have this particular email. Let me just copy this and paste it for the from email. It is done. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, you get the page settings. You can configure default pages from the following settings field. Checkout page be checkout page. Let the terms and conditions page be terms and conditions. We have thank you, confirmation page, dashboard. Everything looks good. Click on continue. The next option you get is payment gateway setting. You can configure payment gateways from the following settings field. You have book now, pay later option, and you also have the PayPal button. It's up to you what you want to use. So for now, I'll be skipping this step. You can use anything from here for your payment gateway. Click on continue. So once we finish all the necessary steps, this is what we get. Your site is ready. Once you get this notification, you can add a trip from here. So let us wait for some more times. We have some more settings to do. Let us go back to dashboard and finish the settings. Click on go to dashboard. Click on allow and continue. Once we click on allow and continue, this is what we get. Once you are here, let us go to the themes and add our theme. We saw the demo of this particular theme, so let us add this theme itself. Click on Get It Now to download the theme. Click on it and enter the details. The details looks good. Let us click on Download Now. Once you click on Download Now, the theme will be sent to your email address. If you don't want to visit your email, you can directly download the theme from here. Click on this and it will be downloaded on your system. Look at this. This has been downloaded. Travel booking. Now let us add the theme in our WordPress website. To add a theme, go to Appearance and click on Themes. Once you are here, click on Add New Theme. Click on Add a New Theme. Then you have an option called Upload Theme. Click on Upload Theme and add the zip file that you have downloaded. So this is the zip file. Let us just open it. Once this is done, click on Install Now. Once you click on Install Now, you get an option called Activate. Click on Activate. Once you click on Activate, it recommends the plugin that has to be added. So let us install these additional plugins as well. Click on Begin Installing Plugins. Click on this. Then you can select all these things. Click on Install, then click on Apply. So all the plugins has been activated. Let us visit the site to check for the theme. Let us check the site. Now the theme has not been completely activated yet. We have some more settings to do. To do that, click on Customize. Once you click on Customize, you have an option called Homepage Settings. Click on this and change this to a static page. Click on a static page, then click on Add a new page. The name of the page will be Home. Click on Home, then add it. Look at this, our theme has been added. Once you do all these things, click on Publish. So our theme has been successfully activated on our WordPress website. You can customize anything and everything from this particular theme. You have an option called Edit from here. Click on this element to edit. Look at this. You can edit all the content from here. As we navigate through the website, there are multiple things that we can add in our travel website. Depending on your business requirements and the tour that you will be offering, you can choose anything. So let me show you how to add a trip and a destination so that you will understand it better. For that, we need to go back to our WordPress dashboard. So here I'm at the WordPress dashboard. Now there is an option called trips. We should click this. We have trips, we have destinations, activities, trip type, difficulty, and tag. So you can choose anything. Let me add a destination first, or else we'll see what are the destinations that are available on our theme. So we have 0 destinations added. Let us add 1 destinations from our demo site. So this is the demo site that we will be using to create our own website. Let us click destination. We have multiple destinations. We have Bhutan, London, Maldives, Morocco, Nepal, Paris, Vietnam, and Venice. So out of this, I prefer Nepal at the moment. We have a trip planned to Nepal. So this is the destination page of Nepal. We have some content that we'll be adding in our site. We have a few offers with the pricing as well. So it looks good. So these are the activities that includes paragliding, peak climbing, and many more. So let us start with the basics. Let us start with the title of the destination. It is Nepal. Let me copy this from here. Then we have an option in this place. Let me paste it. So the destination is Nepal. The slug might be the same as the tour. Let it be Nepal itself. Then let us keep the parent destination as none. Let it be as it is. Then we have description of the trip. Now we have description of the destination. We can add some things from here. Let us add it. And we have some images. So let me also show you how to add a copyright free images on your website. We have 2 to 3 websites through which you can download and use for your own business. The first website is Unsplash. We can use this site. Once you reach Unsplash, you can type the destination and check for the images. Look at this. So this image looks good. Let us add it. Select the image, click on download free. This has been downloaded. Let us add some more images. This looks good as well. Let us download this. And the images have been downloaded. Let us add it in our destination page. Click on select and add the images that you just now downloaded. And once you have added the image, if you want to remove that, you can click on remove images. Now click on add new destination. Nepal as a destination will be added. You can add multiple destinations from here. You can add name, you can add the slug, and you can add the description and click on add new destination. It will be added in the destination section. Apart from this, we also have an option called trips. Let us add a trip. We will select the trip in Nepal section. So let us add one of the trips to Nepal. We'll see if there is anything related to Nepal. I have clicked on trips. So we select Nepal and there are 4 trips, I guess. There are different kinds of trips that are available since this is also a demo site. Let us choose this one. So this is a trip. To add a trip, you should click on trips here. There is an option called add new this site, or else you can go with this one. Click on add new. Once you click on add new, this is what you get. We should add the title of the trip. So let us add this title. The title of the trip has been added. Now we have trip code. So this is WTE41. We can change this according to our requirement. We can change this to NPL41. It's up to you what you decide as your trip code. Then you have duration of the trip. So let the duration of the trip be 9 days and 8 nights. Once you have added the duration, you have an option called enable cutoff time. You can select this and you can give the cutoff time so that people can book 2 days prior for the trip. Once this is done, you have set minimum and maximum age. You can select this if required, or else you can just leave this step as it is. Click this. You can enter the minimum age as 12 and maximum age as 120. It's up to you what you want to decide. We can also check set minimum and maximum participants. So the minimum participants can be 1, people like solo traveling. The maximum participants can be 15. It's up to you, you can decide all these things. This is just for the trial purpose. Click on save and continue. Now you have pricing and packages. To add a pricing, you have to click on add new package. Click on this. Let us add the package name as trip to Nepal. Okay, this is done. Click on edit, pricing and dates. So here we have 2 categories for the pricing, adult and child. For adults, we can charge close to you can decide what are the charges for adults. For now, let me keep it as 750 and let us select the sale price as 650. It means we are offering a discount. So let it be as it is. Now let us focus on the child. For the child, let us charge 650 and the sale price can be 550. Now for adult, the pricing is 650 and for child, it is 550. We can save and close and our pricing will be added under the package name trip to Nepal. Once this is done, we have partial payment option. We can click on get partial payment extension and follow the steps. Click on continue. Then The next thing that we have is trip description. Let the title of the section be overview, and we have trip overview. Let us add some content from here. This is the trips overview. So let me add some of the basic things. Let us copy this and paste it here. You can add multiple descriptions. It is completely up to you what you want to discuss or what do you want to share with your audience. Now we have trip highlights. We can add some highlights. Let this be trip highlights. Let me add something. And we click on add trip highlight. Select this. You can add anything. For example, if you're offering a free breakfast, you can add it as a trip highlight. So this is one of the trip highlights. You can add multiple things from here. Click on save and continue. Once this is done, you have a section called itinerary. So what will people be doing on day one? You can check that. Let us check for the itinerary here. So this is day one. Let us copy this and paste it at day one. This is done and this is the content. So I'm repeating the same thing again. When you are creating your own website, make sure you write your own content. Since this is for the trial version, I'm using the copy paste method. So I have added the day one itinerary. We can add multiple things. Let me add day two as well. Look at this. We have an option day two. So day two is drive. Let us add this. And the description of day two is added. You can add multiple days from here. It is up to you. What are your trip days? It depends on your trip. Once this is done, click on save and continue. Now we have includes or excludes. This is the section title. Let us add the includes tab first. What will be included in our trip? Here we have cost includes. Let us add the same thing. Cost includes. Here we can add the list of services that our cost will include. So let us check here if there is an option called includes or excludes here. Yes, here it is. Click on cost. Look at this. The trip cost includes pickup or drop off services, and we have an entire list. So we can copy these things. Select it. You can add all those things at the cost includes section. You can just paste it. Now we have cost excludes. We can add the same thing from here. The trip cost excludes these things. We can just add it. Here the title will be cost excludes. You can change the title according to your business requirements. Once this is done, click on save and continue. If you want to edit or add some more content, you can go back to that, click on it. You can add it, alter it, and you can even delete it. It's up to you. Click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, you have trip information. It is section title. Enter the title to display inside the tab section of trip facts. So if we have any trip facts, you can add it. There is an option called select a trip fact. Click this. Now we have Wi-Fi. Click on add and we can type free Wi-Fi available. So in the similar manner, you can add multiple things. You can add free cancellation if it is there. You can add admission fee. You can add the languages. It's completely up to you what you add it. Once this is done, click on save and continue. So this is the gallery option. We can enable image gallery and you can even enable video gallery. So it's up to you what you want to display on your site. For now, let me add an image if it is possible. Select add image gallery. Let us upload an image to Nepal. Let us see it works or not. We'll try this. Add an image and the image has been added. So we can add multiple images. Let me add this one. 2 images have been added. You can also enable video gallery. You can use the YouTube video link here. For now, I don't have this, so let me just skip this step. Once this is done, click on Save and Continue. So this is an option for map. You can add the title as map and then can add the image of the map as well. So based on your requirement, you can do whatever you want from this particular plugin. The next thing that we have is FAQ. Let us check that. Section title. So section titles are nothing but these titles: overview, itinerary, cost, and FAQ. Let us add the section title as FAQ itself. Let us add it. Then we can add FAQs one by one. So this is the first question. Let me check what it is. So how fit do I need to be in this trek? This is a question. So we can add it, add the question, and you can even answer this. So this is how you add the FAQ part. You can add multiple questions. You can also add a question that will I get an extra blanket? You can add it. Okay. So here you can add the answer as yes, and you can also add charges applicable. So these are the kind of FAQs that people might have on a trip. You can add multiple things from here. Click on Save and Continue, and we have file downloads. If you want to give people a brochure, guidebooks, offline maps, you can add it from here. For now, I will not be requiring this option. Let me click on Continue. And the last thing that we have is extra services. So extra services includes a supplementary room, hotel upgrade, all those things. So since this is the basic thing, we might not require that. Once you add all these things, you need to click on Publish. Click on Publish, then again click on Publish. All the content that we have added will be there. Click on View Trip. This is how it will look. These are the images that we have added. This is the overview that we just added. This is the overview. This is the itinerary of the trip. And this is the cost that includes and excludes option. Then we have the FAQ section. This is the first one that we have added. And this is, will I get an extra blanket? And this is the pricing. So we have added 650 for adult and 550 for child. Along with this, you get an inquiry form. This form will be there in the theme itself. You don't need to alter anything. People will type the query and you'll get an email with your Gmail address that you have used to log in. So I hope you understood how to add a trip, how to add destinations in this particular plugin. You can customize anything from this website. You can customize, you can edit, add, you can do whatever you want with this particular plugin. And if you want to learn complete details about WordPress, click on the I button. I have made an entire video on how to make a WordPress website for free. That includes all the features that are there on WordPress. And to get started with your travel agency business, visit wptravelengine.com. You can find all the links in the description box as well as the pinned comments. Thank you for sticking with us for so long. We'll see you in the next video.